Tish 21. What up, guys? What's going on? It's your boy Natish back with another video, and today I have a little bit of a surprise for you guys. Well, it's not a surprise, it's sitting right in front of you here. One of my buddies just picked up an E92 M3, and it's not just any ordinary E92 M3. It's got quite a few mods on it. I'm just gonna go over some of it right now. We got quite a few V8 boys. Well, we got the Tesla here as well, but we got my boy Daniel's C63 AMG with the downpipe and tune by ECC, and we have my boy's 5-liter Mustang dropped and spacers on it, my C63, and then this newest addition to the group with the M3. Take a look at this E92, absolutely beautiful. He's got a full carbon lip kit all around, from side skirts to the rear bumper lip, as well as the front lip, as well as a rear duckbill. Well, not really a duckbill, but it's like a lip spoiler, as well as a rear diffuser as well. It's got a Valvetronic exhaust on it as well, which I'll give you guys a soundtrack of that in just a little bit. Take a look at the interior here, guys. He's got quite a bit done to it. Of course, we have the Alcantara steering wheel. That may be OEM or maybe aftermarket, but he's got like a little carbon fiber trim on it, blue trim all around, aftermarket shifter as well. Take a look, it's got a really tall shifter in there. And it's not got the OEM cluster or screen. So it's got a full Android deck in here, and some kind of aftermarket cluster as well. This thing is really nice. You have a lot of options when it comes to just like the display type and what it looks like. There's like one that looks like the 10-speed Mustang cluster, and as well as just more of a generic one as well. Lower RPM, lower RPM. That is absolutely nuts. All right, so he's got the display on over there. So let's take a look and show you what that looks like now. Really good upgrade to the car. Completely changes the way it looks compared to the old cluster. But can you change the modes of the cluster there? So you can see that's like one of the options there. And there's a more traditional style gauges. There you go. So quite a few options you have there. Full Android screen. And just take a look at the aftermarket headlights. Absolutely beautiful. You can actually change the color of them. For some reason it's showing up kind of like a purple on my video here, but it's like a nice clean white in actuality. Beautiful car. Can't wait to hear this thing. He's going to be joining us on some of the cruises and drives. I'll hopefully get you guys a review of this car and an in-depth drive as well, just like I've done with all the other cars. Oh. The shifts are so much better now. Oh, yes. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yes, please. Fantastic. Eurocharge V9 custom. It says 21 only file. It's pretty fucking hard, bro. Bro, listen to fourth gear. thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out my other videos of the G and AMG. I also drop videos of all kinds of other epic builds that you do not want to miss. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell with the notification so you know exactly when I drop a video. See you next time.